For matrix A, find A raised to n for any positive integer n. Solution. Let's see first the square of the matrix. A square, A times A. The product of two matrices. First row, dot first column, the dot products of rows and columns. First row with first column, the dot product. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, 1 over 4. Plus minus 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. First row dot second column. First row dot second column. 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. First row minus 1 over 2. Second column 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. Second row first column minus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 plus second row first column 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. This in 3. Second row, second column. So second row dot second column minus 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 2 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Look, 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 1 over 4. Simplify. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 1 over 2. Now what's this matrix? Matrix A. So A square is equal to A. What about A cubed? A cubed means A square times A. And we got here A square means A. So A square is A times A. That's A square. Again, A square is A. Therefore, it is A. A is a power of 4. A square times A square. A square is A times A square is A. A times A square. That is A. So, from this, we observe that for any positive integer n, A raised to n is equal to A. Let A be a 3 by 3 matrix. Write the given matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Solution. Remember, for any square matrix A, we have the property A plus A transpose is symmetric. And A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. We have this property for square matrix, for any square matrix A. Now we are asked to write the given matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Now what will be the sum of these two matrices, the symmetric and the skew symmetric? So A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. From the property of matrix, addition is associative and commutative. Therefore, this can be written as A plus A transpose, associative and commutative property. A plus A transpose minus A transpose. So A transpose minus A transpose 0. The result is 2 times matrix A. From this, we obtain that this implies matrix A is half of, divide both sides by 2, half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. So this is symmetric. Any scalar multiple is symmetric. This is skew symmetric. Any scalar multiple is symmetric. Therefore, for any matrix A, half of A plus A transpose symmetric plus skew symmetric. Write the given matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Therefore, we need to find A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose to get the answer. Now we have the formula for a matrix A to write as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. 1 over 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 over 2 A minus A transpose. Therefore, first was A transpose, the transpose of this matrix. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Minus 1, 3, 0. Minus 1, 3, 0. Row to column. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 2. This is A transpose. Therefore, we write matrix A as the sum of A plus A transpose over 2. 1 plus 1, 2 over 2, that's 1. 2 plus minus 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 2. 4 plus minus 2, positive 2, divided by 2, 1. 1 over 2, A plus A transpose. Minus 1 plus 2, positive 1, divided by 1, 1 over 2. 3 plus 3 over 2, that's 3. 0 plus minus 4 over 2, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 over 2, positive 1. Minus 4 plus 0 over 2, minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2 over 2, minus 2. That's symmetric. A plus A transpose over 2 plus 1 over 2 A minus A transpose. 1 minus 1, 0 over 2, 0. 2 minus minus 1, 3 over 2. 4 minus minus plus 2, 6 over 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 over 2. 3 minus 3, 0 over 2, 0. 0 minus minus 4 plus 4 over 2, that is 2. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 over 2, minus 3. Minus 4 plus, minus 0 minus 4 over 2, minus 2. Minus 2 minus minus 2, that's 0. Now we got symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix gave us matrix A. So we wrote matrix A as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric